number of trees that would be impacted because of the elevated corridor, the proposed elevated and tendered elevated corridor that is coming from Old Madras Road and along 80 feet road, turns into CMH Road, and then turns into 100 feet road and joins Ejipura. The detailed project report talks about 285 trees, right? And we've actually surpassed 800 in number.
This is an open street map developed for geolocating trees, taking pictures, also adding additional notes if you have to. So this is how the app works. You open the app, then you need to just long press. You go close to the tree, so you get good location. You long press on this. Then you get an option to take pictures of the tree. So what we do is take pictures of bark, the foliage, if it's flowering, people littering around it, and the condition of the tree, the species, all that we can put the notes here.
Been in Indiranagar for more than 50 years now. All this greenery is part and parcel of our life, and we enjoy being in this greenery, but it hurts a lot now when the government is coming with a proposal to cut down these trees to build an elevated transit, which is absolutely not required for our area at all.
Basically what we are doing here is mapping the trees on this road 100 feet right now, but there are other people who are doing mapping on other roads like CMH and Old Madras Road. There's so many trees. Though we pass from here every day, we don't even appreciate the lung space that we are getting here. The beauty of this road is the tree. Cutting this down is something which I can't even imagine what is going to happen if these trees are cut. And this is cruel. It's a crime, I should say, to cut down these trees for elevated corridor, which is not going to help us residents.
Today, I consider 100 feet road with all the wide footpaths and the greenery and the arrangements made for pedestrians as one of the best roads in the country. The least I can say is that this corridor will ruin 100 feet road, and the utility of this corridor to solve the traffic congestion issue is a big question mark.